Here's a pair of the Soundcore V20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the LG TV that has WebOS. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put these earbuds into pairing mode. Let me go ahead and take out the earbuds. Now after you wait for a few seconds, if it's blinking blue, then that would indicate that it's in pairing mode, which is what we need. Okay, so let me make sure mine starts blinking blue. Okay, mine looks like it's in pairing mode. Now if yours is not in pairing mode, oh, mine just turned off. Okay, if yours is not in pairing mode, what you want to do is just press and hold the logo, use both earbuds, and just wait a few seconds until it starts blinking blue. We'll do it together, okay? So press and hold the logo, ready, press and hold both, and just wait. There we go, now it's blinking blue. Okay, there we go, now it's in pairing mode. So now it's in pairing mode. Let's go ahead and shoot over to our TV, go directly to your settings. You can click on the settings button on your remote, or just go to the home page, click on the home button, and then just navigate to the gear icon on the top left hand side. Right there. Make sure the settings is highlighted in white up there. Go ahead and select that. And just give it 1 second. It's moving. You can see it right there. Okay, so from here we're going to go down one to sound, and we're going to select that. And now we're going to go down to sound out. It currently says TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these earbuds. So let's select sound out. And then from here, we're going to go down to use wireless speaker right there. Let's go ahead and select that. Let's select Bluetooth device. Now, let me scroll down here on the bottom. See that little spinny thing down there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. Pairing mode is about 30 feet, and these aren't actually in pairing mode no more. So let's go ahead and just put these back in the pairing mode. I took too long. So let's go ahead and hold the logo, ready, press and hold. Get these back into pairing mode. Okay, there we go. Now it's back into pairing mode, and it just popped up right there as well, the Soundcore. So just go down and highlight it, and then we're going to select it. Oh, I just heard the chime. The lights went off, so it's connected. It says connected right there as well. So there you go, pretty simple. Now, if you had issues, can't put it into pairing mode, issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.